Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin yesterday went above 13,800, and it was just $20 under its 2 years all-time high. It was just rejected there, and this is really close because this 2 years all-time high is the second highest for Bitcoin, because before that it was just a peak around 20,000. So it's a critical level. Let's talk about that. The second news is going to be about that Singapore's biggest bank, DBS, is launching a crypto exchange. It was also a great news and really bullish, because banks were the ones which are really against crypto, and now this is Singapore's biggest bank. And the third news is also bullish this time, because 22 Bitcoin-friendly banking branches opening in India, and this number, it will actually increase. So let's talk about these things. And guys, if you would like to stay up to date in crypto and blockchain, the only thing you really have to do to subscribe to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom, because we keep you up to date. I put videos on YouTube every weekday though, so from Monday to Friday you will get the freshest crypto and blockchain news. And you can also educate yourself with us, because we don't have just these free videos every day. We have our free course. It's all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So you can download, the link is right under this video. And we have a really detailed course about Bitcoin and blockchain to understand it, get the full picture of it. And for that, the link is also under this video, but you have to pay for that course. Okay. And now let's check out the market, how it looks like. So Bitcoin at the present at $13,649, which is still a 4% increase in the last 24 hours. When we're looking at Ethereum, it's just under $400 right now at $396, which is a 0.77% increase in the last 24 hours. And as I said, Bitcoin was above 13,800 yesterday. When we're looking at the top gainers, we have Nexo 9%, Energy Web 8%, Compound 6%. Let's check out the losers. ABBC Coin minus 16%, Reserve Ride minus 10%, and Near Protocol minus 8%. And now let's talk about the first news, which is all about that Bitcoin. It was just literally $20 away from the new 2-year high. And this tweet is by Lark Davis, and he's saying it's not long, and the end of 2020 it can be massive. So this is really critical what's happening now. Look at this, is the last 30 days of Bitcoin. You do know that the stock market is actually going down. It was also negative day yesterday, just like before. So stock market is really bearish now because of many uncertainties. The stimulus checks are not coming before the election. And also just think about it, even after the election, when we will figure out finally who will be the new president, how long this uncertainty will be there. So this is stock market, and Bitcoin was really correlated to stock market recently, but in the last couple of weeks, it just doesn't care about it right now, and it's going up, so it's decoupling from the stock market. But keep it in mind that, this level here, which was at 13,000, actually here, I cannot get this 800, but it was on some exchanges, you could see it. So this is very critical because, right now when you're checking on-chain analysis, you can see that more than 95% of the Bitcoin holders are in profit now. So that means it can happen, a nice rejection again. It can drop because maybe people taking profit. It can happen, okay? So it might go back to 12,000, okay? It can be a very radical drop as well. It's in the package. But what is Bitcoin doing recently? It's amazing. And if the bullish scenario is playing out, so it's crossing its 2 years all-time high, and it's going above 13,800 and something. So let's say reaching 14,000. and actually it's staying there. So it's not just like it just touched it and it just like then drops, but no, it's staying above it. Then it could be amazing in short term, because just think about it. Above this level, it was just in 2017, 2018, during this peak of the bull market. Really, it was a short period of time. And above this kind of 13,800 and something, there is no support levels, okay? So there's the stratosphere. You just shoot Bitcoin into the air, and then we'll see how it works out. So there is definitely a likelihood that it can be new all-time high end of this year, beginning of next year. We will see. But keep it in mind, then a rejection can also happen. It's a very, very critical level. We should see how Bitcoin is playing in the next couple of days, and then is it establishing itself above a new all-time high. That would be actually crucial. And, more bullish things happening. When you're looking at MicroStrategy, you do know that these are the guys who put $425,000 Bitcoin into crypto recently, like more than a month ago, almost like 2 months ago. And the crazy thing what's happening with them, that here is, according to the data published on October the 27th by independent crypto researcher Kevin Brook, MicroStrategy has earned more from its Bitcoin investment than it did through its actual business for the last 3 years, from Q1 2017 until Q2, so the second quarter of 2020. And, look, here you can see it even better. So this is here the Bitcoin, and it's over 100 million profit, and they just actually joined the game. And look, here they can see until the second quarter, this is how much they have earned in the last 3 years, like the net income from the business itself. And when we're looking at this Bitcoin treasury.org, you can see here MicroStrategy right at the top, and with this big investment. And here you can see literally $425,000 investment, August and in September this year altogether. And it makes it the total value right now at $521 million. But when it was the article was published, then Bitcoin was slightly higher, as I said. I think it was on the level. Let's check in the article. And when we're looking at it past 13,700, which is now slightly under it right now, then this was actually 100 million difference. 100 million in the profit, literally in a couple of months' time, compare what the company actually made its net income in the last 10 years. Actually, this is how crazy Bitcoin is. And just imagine when people see this list of the companies are just growing. Now this was 9 billion something 2 days ago or something like that. And now it's again above it. And we're talking about millions and millions and hundreds of millions of dollars. More and more companies invest when they see this, what's happening. I have the second bullish news, guys. And this is Singapore's biggest bank, DBS, is launching crypto exchange, and this is actually crazy. Biggest bank is launching a fiat to cryptocurrency exchange, and the trading platform would allow users to trading 4 crypto assets. That's how they start: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and XRP. And they can trade it against Singapore dollar, Hong Kong dollar, Japanese yen, and US dollar. So think about the fact that, the banks were the ones which were really against the crypto. And we do know that since the summer, the banks in the United States, they are allowed to do crypto service for their clients. And now we're talking about Singapore and the largest bank offering this. This is definitely bullish. And these news are definitely helping pushing Bitcoin price up. because it really now started with PayPal recently, like a week ago, and now the more and more bullish news coming out, more investments, more big investors jumping in crypto, and especially we can see now stock market declining, people looking for other opportunities, looking for safe haven, and now they see that Bitcoin is performing well, so okay, let's move to Bitcoin. I think it's amazing. And yes, so this is definitely a bullish news. And another one, which is, I think it's bullish, the third news I wanted to talk about is that 22 Bitcoin-friendly banking branches opening in India. And here in this article, they're saying that we are the first regulated financial institution in the world with physical branches where users can access crypto products, said the director of India's United Multi-State Credit Cooperative Society. And, right now they have this 22 physical branches when people actually can walk in and actually do crypto transaction. And here they're saying that the service will be provided by them, as I just said. They have a partnership with crypto banking platform Kasha, and and this is the first time customers can physically access cryptocurrencies or take out loan against their holdings, which is amazing. In India, we do know that there is kind of crypto for and against kind of war in India. Many people in India want crypto, but the government is kind of against it, so they always want to ban crypto. But these things are still happening, and Unicas will launch operations in December 2020. So actually it's coming up very, very soon. And according to the announcement, and rapid expansion to over 100 branches is planned by 2022. So right now, starting with 22 now in December, and then they will increase this number to 100 branches. So actually they have a very big goal to reach. And we're talking about here a very short period of time. So I think this is definitely a great thing. And now we can see different countries getting bullish in crypto, in Bitcoin, companies getting bullish. So yes, the danger is there. Be aware of it. It can, and a rejection can happen anytime, and there could be a nice dump. But also there is this bullish scenario, because if more bullish news coming like this, more people will FOMO in, and more people FOMO in, the price will go higher. But always, have a strategy. Have a strategy for the worst case scenario, and maybe we revisit 12,000 very soon. You don't know, but of course, life will tell. And guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, you want to drop a comment, feel free to do it under this video. I'm really happy to answer them, so we can communicate and you can ask your questions. If you can just share some great information with the society, do so. This is what this platform is built for. And of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom, if you want to stay up to date, because I put videos on this YouTube channel every weekday. Okay, so from Monday to Friday, you're getting the freshest news. And download the free course, How to Start to Invest in Bitcoin and Other Cryptocurrencies. It's totally free. You can educate yourself. And also, we have another great course, Understanding Blockchain and Bitcoin, a really massive one. It's also very good. So bottom line, now you can see how crypto is going up. Now you can see what are the possibilities, how many people believe in it. Educate yourself and stay up to date. That's actually crucial. That's the most you can do right now. Thanks a lot for watching. And tomorrow I'm coming back with another video, and that with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.